everybody. Welcome to the third video in step 3 in building an Xperiencify course. And what's great about today is when you finish step 3, you basically have your course. You have the meat of your course done. You have your course done, but it doesn't, there's so many things that Xperiencify makes it. What makes Xperiencify so good are the layouts and the things you could do in it. So that will be step 4 and step 5. But today, if you finish step 3, you have your course. So once again, Xperiencify is a learning management system, and it is there's a free trial, or not a free trial, a free while you build your course option. But then you can pick. What I do is I have the growth plan, so you'll see that one. That is the $149 a month, or I think it's $119 if you buy a year. It is not the $49 package. So you will see things that, today both plans, it hits both plans. But when we get into the features, that's when you'll see the different plans. And I do have a link below for you to click on and get your free, not trial, as I said, your free package. And you could log on and build your own course and see how you like it. So with that said, let's get to step 3. Okay, first thing, can I move this? This is actually first time I've used this program to do videos. And first of all, we don't need to see me. I will wave to you and say hi, but don't need to see me. Anyway, so here we are. We're going to go back into our course, and we're going to go to step 3. Add course content. Yay! Anyway, how do you move this thing? It must be. No, I don't want to finish recording. I just want to move it. Oh, well. Until I figure out how to do that, I will just let it go. We'll work around it. Usually it's over here. Anyway, so we're in step 3, and today we are going to put modules in. We're going to put the trainings in, which are your lessons. And then I think replays and bonuses, we may hit it another time, just because of the flow that I build things. I will build the layout, step 4 and 5, before I do those two. So anyway, let's get started. The first thing I do is add my modules. You can do it any way. You could do just like one module at a time. I usually just add my modules, and then I'll do each of the trainings in the module. You'll see. So this is my first module, and I have a document here that's open that has all my information, so I could just copy and paste. But it sometimes will hit me out when I'm on here. If I hit there we go. If I hit the wrong thing, it'll take me out. So excuse me if I do. But let's copy and paste. That's my name for the first module. That's the introduction. And then I want this to be right underneath. Copy. So I'm going to put this here. And that is pretty much it. I want this to be 10. So if they finish this module, they get 10 XPs. I'm going to keep that. And then the other thing is I do want a different picture. I will reuse the picture. Okay, let me go into my folder that's going to be there. So we got, let's see, not PC. We're going to go up here. Workbook University. Mini courses, because this is just a little course, but it works the same things as all of them. And then we're going to go to the draft folder. There we go. That's the picture I want to use. So it should be uploading. There goes the green line right underneath to show that it is. And should pop up any second. There we go. So now we have made module 1. Now to save time, let me save that. I am going to add the other modules and do that fast motion, where it speeds up things. So you can see what I'm doing, but you don't have to see it in real time. So with that, I will be back in a minute. I'll have to figure out that music. Okay, go here and go prioritize step, copy, paste, paste. I'm gonna take that out there. Put this picture to. Okay, got that. Save changes. Add module. Okay, so we have the 4 modules. That's what this course will have. Now I'm going to go into each one and add the trainings or your lessons. Now this is where if I only have for this short course one per each one, but this is where I do have some lessons where there's like anywhere from 3 to 10 lessons in each one. But these will have one, so it will show you. But you can have as many as you want. Anyway, this is the lesson. Then you click in and you basically have the 5 tabs that you're going to work on. You have your basic info, the media, how you're going to release the content, your points and your action items, and your downloads. So let's get to the first one. Now I'm in module 1, so I got all my information right here and what I want to put on each one. So my module 1, I want to put some training notes. So I'm going to put right there. Copy. And I'm going to put my training. I'll put that in. Here might go my training notes. We're doing this kind of backwards here. Let's go up here first. My training is going to be the same name as I had it above. It's going to be introduction. We'll copy. We'll name that introduction. And then I'm going to, cancel. Did it do it? Yes, it did. And then we're going to go back there and I'm going to have my sentence here, my little brief description. And then that's going to be the URL. I want that. And there go my training notes that I pasted in. I want to move that. I don't know how. Sorry. Anyway, I'm going to move this here. And I'm actually going to do like that because this is just how I like it. You could format it any way you like. Like I don't put training notes in most of my courses. But I do have a challenge, and in the challenge I'll have the video that's at the top, and then I do have the transcription right below. So you can put a lot of notes in here, or you could put just a few notes. It's up to you. So basically on step 1, I have the name, I got the title, I've got my notes, I got how many points. No, the points are later. So and then I just want to change the picture. This picture I'm going to change to, where am I? I'm going to do the same picture. I will change the pictures in another place, but that one I do want to use that same graphic and watch it go. Come on, go a little faster. That's one thing that I do. I'll tell you my little tip. Sometimes when I watch videos like this, I'll put it at 1.25 speed, the video, because then you're watching it, you could still understand what the person's saying, but it's just a little faster. So if you have a 20-minute video, it only takes like 15. So there we go. We have step 1 done. So now we're going to go to step 2. Step 2 is where you upload your video. And I will use, if you want to use Xperiencify and you just upload straight to them, you go here, upload video, and then you can click on one of these. But me having the super slow internet I have and doing this, I decided not to do it because it just takes way too long. I mean, some of these will take an hour for my internet to upload. I miss my California network, but I don't have it anymore. I have like 15, 2 up and 15 down, if you understand that. Really slow. But here, what I do have is I have previously uploaded them to YouTube, and you could do this to Vimeo and or some other the other programs. So I have the URL already set. So you can either upload it through the one link that says upload, or you can go here. I hope, there we go. I'm going to have to save this afterwards just to make sure I don't lose anything. There, save. And there goes the video right there. And I'm actually going to save this. It'll take me out, but we'll just get back in, save it just to be careful. I am one of those people that think it's better to save often than lose what you do. Anyway, so I'm going to go back to that the one we're working on. Go over there and do edit to get back in. And now we're going to go to, we got that tab and we got the media tab. So we're going to go to the release of trainings. So this, on this one, it's a video a class that I want them to do right after each other. So I'm just going to say immediately, because I don't want them to take 5 days to do this really what is like a hour course. I just want them to be able to go boom, boom, boom through it. So I did immediately. But if I wanted to do each module one a day, one a week, I could either start on that would actually be after 7 days. Like, okay, here, this would be if I was in module 2, I could release it 7 days from now, or 14 days. Then the third one would be 14 days from now. Oop. I should have put those off. Or 21 days if I wanted it 3 weeks. Or you could do, this one, which is if you wanted it every Monday. So you could do the first Monday, and that's when this one would release, or the second Monday or the second Wednesday. So there's a lot of options on when you can release your content. I usually use after so many days, because when my courses are little, I don't want them all to do it at one time. So I'll use that one. But for today, we're going to just use immediately. And this is release content to students dynamically. And it says anytime a student completes a training, the next one is immediately becomes available, overriding any other release configurations that might have been set. And you can learn more. That I'm going to keep checked. So that is how I'm going to release the content for this video. And so I'll wait to save changes to the next one. But this one I definitely will. So this is your points. This is your action items. This is your student watches the video, and you just don't want them to watch the video. You want them to actually retain what is in the video and learn from it, to actually be able to put that information to use. And this is where you would do that. This is your quizzes and your essays. Excuse me. So the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to give them 2 points. It says here. So we're going to go here and open it up. And it's a simple checkbox. I want that. That's what I want. Watch video. I'm going to rename this to, that is my fun keyboard, and the way I'm typing, it's like, hi. Okay, so back here, simple. Okay, this is where I want. Come on, don't. There we go. Watch the video, because that's what I want them to do. That's the action. So then I'm just going to do the same thing here. Watch the video. And here I'm going to put because hopefully they did it. Video watched. I'm putting that in the past tense so they know that it's been done. So we have that, and we're going to give them 2 points for that. And I'm going to change the picture to one of the ones where they're looking at a screen thinking they're watching the video. Okay, so it's uploading. Some people, they'd be done. This would be done. As I said, I miss my San Francisco fiber optics. I'm now into rural Montana. Barely anything. Okay, so I'm gonna wait till the next one to save. Oh, let's see if I can get down there. Okay, we're gonna save. Save. There we go. Now we're going to go, because I have 3 action. I got the watch the video plus 2 action items for this module. So I'm going to go into this one. This is the second one, and we're going to go back here because we do have it all typed out. Of course, I probably lost that. Here we go. This is this one. Copy. We'll go back there, and we're going to go paste. And we'll do this. And this is going to be copy. That's what I'm going to name it. Action step name, clear. Clarify your current career goals. Action. I don't want it to be, because if you look at the question, I'm asking for them. Actually, let me format this. I like it to be that one, and I like this to be bold. It's asking them to give an actual, text response. And right now I have it on simple checkbox. So what I'm going to actually do is change this to the essay response. So then how many words down here? They have to at least type 50 words. I'm going to change that to 25. And then this is what happens if they do less. They get a little error message. Change that to 25. Leave that to done it or did it or finished. Got it, whatever it may be. I'm going to leave it as that for now. And we're going to just pick one of the other pictures. And for me, I have like 10 that I mix in here, and you may see the same picture twice. And there it goes. Go, go, go. I love Xperiencify. It's actually really easy. The hardest thing is sometimes you don't know where to find something. Once you know where it is, it's really a straightforward and easy program to work with. Okay, so we got, we didn't do this. This one, type at least 20. Oh, that's right, training for, do I got that? I thought there was something I needed to change. I guess not. Looks good. So I got my easy response. I got my action item. I got the question. I got how many words did it. 2 points. Perfect. So I'm going to save that. And I'm going to do one more because I want 3 on this one. And this is going to be another essay box. Copy. Going to, here it is. I already added it. Clarify your current goals. Throw that in there. Let's do the formatting first. Why not? Write down in the box. Okay. And hit this. Oop, that's right. To there. I like the line. I know it's for signatures, but I kind of like it. And then what is it? What is this one? Can we go out? This is and we're going to name this one. We're going to also do this another essay box. And we're going to call this. See, I keep doing that. Okay, there we go. Time management issues. Okay, so then I'm going to make that 25 again, so they don't have to do too many words, and 25 again. When we've done it again, done it, got it. Make it a little different. Change the picture one more time to this one. Okay, that's up. I'm going to save. Oh, I'm going to do the download first because the save's going to knock me out. So now I have one document for this course, and it's basically a workbook that if they want to don't want to write them in these little boxes, they can, I guess, in the workbook. I do say put them in both, but it's up to the person. So I'm going to add the workbook, and we're going to upload, just put upload, and it is in a different file. Action guide, there we go, the PDF. Well, that we're going to put workbook. Now we're going to, there we go. It's workbook, save changes, and we have our first lesson done. Our first training. That is now done. Let me see if I'll show it to you. Everything is going to change a lot because there's so much more to do. I haven't done the formatting. You haven't done extras, but we will just quickly go through and just show you what it looks like to this point. Okay, so we have this. We're going to go to all trainings. Go there. That's all going to look different. That's why I'm clicking off. See, this all here, we'll change that in a bit too. That will go in the next step. But there we go. There goes the video. So you got that. You got the training notes underneath, and you could download the workbook. Then there goes the watch the video. See, you get the ka-ching. Except my system's slow. It'll ka-ching in a second. There you go. And then we have the first one. Let me just show you if you do less than 50 words. Blah, blah, blah. Done. Oop, type at least 20. So I'm going to do copy. And let's do, we'll just do it that way. Paste, paste, paste. I don't know how many I'm going to need for 25 because I'm not really counting. Let's do a couple more. 1, 2, that has to be more than 25. And then it's done. So it tells you, so you and then it goes my next 2 points. And the same one with this one. So, and this one I didn't change. I'll go back and change that later. I wanted to change that to 2 points. But that is it. I'm going to once again do the next 4 modules in fast mode. And so you could see it and you could kind of look through the steps again. But, it's fast and you don't have to hear me say the same thing over and over. Anyway, I'll see you in a minute. because I'm going to add one more. This will actually have 3 modules. I didn't have the information. I have a GIF of Star Trek: The Next Generation, where if you watch Star Trek, you'll know this. If not, you're going to have no idea. Geordi is with Scotty from the first Star Trek, and he goes, "Never tell your boss how long it really takes." So it fits in here. So I'm actually going to add, this will have 3 modules. These are the only 2 modules. Only one has actions. It's just that I couldn't cut it. I couldn't figure out how to cut it. When I was doing my PowerPoint to make it into the videos, it wouldn't play my video. So I'm kind of doing a workaround for that. So I'll be adding something right there. But so I have this one, and it has this training tips. It has everything. Actually, let's go up here and just quickly look at it. Because actually the bulk of my course is done. That is it, except for that one little added. And I think I forgot to add when I was trying to go really fast. I think I forgot to add 2 little actions to step 2, but I'll do that afterwards. Okay, that's going to totally change. So let's just go to all trainings. I know if I hit this, it'll go right up. Never fails. So we got all trainings, which is they're going down the list for each module. So I got this one. If I look at this one, we looked at this one. That looks good. That's the only one that has the download because it's a workbook, but it has my actions, and then it has the next training. So I go there. I may go pick some more pictures for other stuff too. Okay, so we got there. We got my little notes. Then we got after, we'll change that in a bit. And then we have my actions, watch the video, to create to do list. We have it where it's, I think that was 25 words, schedule a task. They could write their text in there, block time. Okay, so on this one, I'm going to go back and maybe change that. Maybe just do remember to change the bold, just little things like that. I'll probably do that on my own, but you could easily go in, as I said, you see what you want to change. And then down to the bottom, and it goes to the next module, which is 3. Okay, 3, which is the plan, which is perfect. Plan. Got my little action notes. And then after you watch the video, oh, where's my video? Okay, my video is not in there. So I have to go back to that one. And, you know what I did? I did the wrong. Let me go show you okay, let me go back. Which one? Which lesson is this? See the little things you do when you have to figure out what you're doing wrong. Step 2, plan 2. I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to do, if it's step 2, that is going to be the 3rd video down. So where's my video links? This one. Copy. So I'm going to go back here and go back to the content. And I'm going to go to this one here because it should have the same thing as that. So I'm going to go edit. And then I'm going to go to media. And, I didn't even upload anything. Okay, this is so there. And I'm going to do the paste that. And make sure it goes. It should, because it's just a link. Save. And let me go back in there and one more time because I wanted the thumbnail. I don't want the thumbnail to be that. I want the thumbnail to be the same one, which I think is plan. Because that's the one, as I said, it's just one big chapter, one big lesson. So you get to even see my little tweaks. Okay, that should save. Let's go back here and refresh. click off that. Okay, there we go. That is better. Because there we go. How to manage her. Perfect. Okay, that looks good. Let's see. Got that one. So we're going to go down to part 2. Isn't that what I just looked at? Maybe I went backwards. Oh, yes, it is. Excuse me. So, yes. Okay, this one needs to be fixed. I'm going to fix this offline, but you just go through and you fix it because this is the one that I went fast and I only did the first one, which was the training video. Then I realized I skipped to the next one. But I'll go back and, as I said, add those. Never fails. Okay, so we got 3. This is produce. This one didn't do it either. Okay, I got that. Okay, watch the video. Oh, I forgot to put here, watch the video. I'll correct this one online because it's fast too. And then I will stop for now and let you catch up or let you do what you want to do. And then the next video, I will see you. And next video is customize your course pages. And that's where a lot of the fun comes in. But this, as you can see, let me go in here. Let me change this one. This would be under the points. Watch the video. I forgot to put this. This is supposed to be watch the video. Oop. Oh, yeah. I can actually keep that one, but we're not. Then, where's one? I need more videos. We'll do that one. As I said, I just recycled them down here. They only stay small. Okay, save changes. So now that one should say, if I refresh, it should be correct. Okay, so go down there, watch the video, see here we got download timer. I will go through and do my little corrections. And so next time you see this, hopefully it looks a little more correct. I'm not going to keep you on at that. But if you look at this is my course. Let me go back to all trainings. I've got, as I said, this is what we're going to go over tomorrow. I've got my introduction, which has one training in it. I've got my step 1, which is prioritize, which has the one training in it. I've got my plan, which has 2, which you'll see 3, because I'm going to, as I said, add that one little GIF. And then I have step 3, which is one module. And there's only 3 steps in this course, even though there's 4 modules because of the introduction. So that is it. I have finished my content. I could actually put this up right now, with the little corrections. And it could be a training. But Xperiencify is so much more. So we're going to get into that tomorrow, or at least the next time. Hopefully it's tomorrow. And then tomorrow it's making it look better, putting like the text, like when you saw, is it still there? Maybe at the top of this, like this will change. This may change. So tomorrow's a fun video. So that is it for today. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.